Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The hydroxyl group is a strong ortho-para director and the carboxylic acid is a meta-director. The incoming nitro group goes ortho to O and ortho to CO to H, giving to nitro 4-hydroxybenzoic acid, i.e. number to ortho to Cu or para to Cu. Product 1 is equal to 2 nitro 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. Moving on to the next step. The phenolic O is alkylated under basic conditions with N-propyl chloride, NPRCl, to give the N-propyl ether. Product 2 is equal to 2 nitro 4-N-propoxy benzoic acid. Moving on to the next step. The carboxylic acid is converted to the acid chloride. Product 3 is equal to 2 nitro 4-N-propoxy benzol chloride. And for the final step, the acid chloride reacts with diethylamine to form the diethylamide. This gives 2 nitro 4-N-propoxy N-diethylbenzamide. 2H2PD catalytic hydrogenation reduces the nitro group to an amino group, no 2NH2. Final product 4 is equal to 2 amino 4-N-propoxy N-diethylbenzamide. This matches option B. A benzene ring bearing NH2 ortho to the C is equal to O net to group and an N-propoxy group para to the amide. Why other options fail? A. Still has number 2 not reduced, so H2PD step is ignored. C. Has a monothylamide NH8 instead of diethylamide net 2 and an unexplained Cl substituent. D. Still has number 2 not reduced, so H2PD step is ignored. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.